Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about how to fill a session plan and attendance in the course file. So for that purpose we will directly open our course file. To open the course file, go to the shortcut. You will get the list of course files associated with you. So we will open one course file. So in this particular course file I want to create a session plan. So session plan menu is available in your course file. So we click on the session plan. To create a session plan, we must fill all the topics and subtopics in the course file. Otherwise, you cannot create a session plan. So we go to the session plan, and to add sessions one by one, we click on this button, Add New. Now here in this list, it will give you all the sessions. So one by one we are going to select the sessions, and here we have to select the topics and subtopics which we are planning to cover in that particular session. So in session number 1, I am planning to teach this particular topic. Okay. So in session number 1, I am planning to teach this particular topic. Save. So the entry will be created for the session number 1. It is like our teaching plan which we used to write in our traditional course files. So that teaching plan is nothing but a session plan in the ERP. So now I want to add another session. So I will click on this Add New. So you can see the session number 1 is not visible now because it is already created. Now for the second session, I want to cover this particular topic. Now if you want to teach only this particular subtopic in this session, then for that purpose what we can do, you can select only this. So in session number 2, I want to cover this subtopic. So you can select topic as well as subtopic. If you select topic, it will by default select all the subtopics included in that topic. So I want to teach this particular subtopic in this course file. So I will select it and save. In next session, I am planning to teach the another subtopic from the second topic. Okay. So in this way, you can create all your sessions. Okay. Now we will discuss about how to fill attendance in this particular course file. So to fill the attendance, we go to the shortcut. In shortcut, there is an option called as scheduler. So click on this scheduler. Remember that we are always going to use this scheduler for filling the attendance. So in the scheduler, it will by default display the schedule of current day. So right now there is no schedule for the current day. So if I want to fill the attendance for previous schedule, then I'll just give the date range. So it will display me all the schedules available during that period. Now to fill the attendance, see, the attendance of first 9 sessions is already filled. Now I want to fill the attendance for this 10th session. So what I am going to do, I am going to click on this particular button, session conducted. So as soon as we click on this button, session conducted, it will generate one link for the attendance. So we click on this particular link. Now how you want to take the attendance? With the help of roll numbers or with the help of names? So I will check this option. Okay. So I am going to select all the present students. So these students are present for my class. If all the students are present, simply click here. So it will select all the students. If only one student is absent in the class, then select all the students and again select that particular roll number who is absent. So in this way you can mark the attendance and click on the submit button. So attendance submitted successfully. So this is the simple process for submitting the attendance.